Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy crypto on Binance with credit card. So step number 1 is open Binance and log in. So just launch the Binance mobile application, or you can also visit the Binance.com, and then you just have to log in with your email or phone and then your password. So just enable the 2FA or two-factor authentication for added security if not already done. Next step is on the home screen, you tap on the buy crypto or find it under the trade menu. So select a credit or debit card as your payment method from the options available. So from there, just have to choose the cryptocurrency that you want to buy. So that can be BTC, ETH, BNB, USDT, and etc. So it depends on you, and then you just have to enter the amount in your local currency, and then the Binance will show the crypto amount that you will receive and also the applicable fees. Next is to click on add new card and enter the card details. So that is the number, expiry, and the CVV. So you just have to complete identity verification if prompted. So this is for the first time users. So your card will be verified instantly or may require 3D secure authentication. Lastly is to review transaction summary and tap on the buy crypto, and then just confirm the purchase via SMS or email code. So your crypto will appear in your Binance Spot wallet within 5 to 10 minutes. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!